What's going on, family? I am on the IRS.GOV website. I just filed for my EIN number, been approved, got it, got the paperwork down here with all the information in it. And like I say, I always like to lead by example. So up here is what you need to look, what you need to put in when you're getting ready to do it. That way you'll know it's .gov, IRS.gov, because some of these other sites, when you put them in, it'll pop up different things. So you want to make sure it's the government site, and it's also going to give you a timer to fill out the application. So once you go on there, there's a few different steps, man. I actually could help you walk through when you're doing your filing for your EIN. You see, congratulations. When you're filing for it, there's a few things you got to know. The area, home-based business, is it going to be a manufactured product, or is it going to be a construction or food service? It got plenty of different topics. But I would say that you would figure out what you're going to do first. That way you have everything lined out, so when you get ready to get down here to do this, it won't take you nothing but a few seconds. Very easy, but you need to know the area, the zoning, because you don't want to try to, say, put in a manufacturing business in a place that's not zoned for it. It's going to kick it out. It's going to say, no, we can't give you an EIN. So if you're starting a home-based business, at least know what area you're in, so that way you know how to file it. So I would say personally, when you're filing these, always start off first with a home-based business. In my personal opinion, you can always transfer it over, but start off with a home-based LLC. That's how mine is. I got 2 members on mine as of now, me and my wife, and that's how I did it, man. And like I say, it's not hard, but you do have to do some little homework. You do have to know something. So, hey, I'm gonna just give you the game as I have obtained it, and hopefully you can use it to grow your business, to grow your future, to help benefit your family and your independence. Hog on, Welder.